Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to store tomato puree for long time, updated. Cool puree quickly to room temperature, then pack it into sterilized jars, leaving 1-inch headspace, and wipe rims clean. For long-term storage, choose water bath canning for high acid blends or pressure canning for lower acid mixtures, and always process jars for the correct time based on jar size and altitude. Freezing is one of the simplest long-term methods, and it keeps bright flavor when done right. Cool puree thoroughly, then divide into portion sizes you will actually use and leave 1-inch headspace for expansion. Use quality freezer bags or rigid containers, press out air, and label with the date. Thaw in the refrigerator overnight for best texture, or add frozen puree directly to soups and sauces while cooking. If this video is helping you out, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep sharing practical food tips. Quick recommendation: I recently enjoyed the book The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with a lazy canning afternoon or while waiting for jars to set. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Canning offers shelf stability and great pantry convenience when you follow safe steps. Use tested canning recipes and either a water bath or pressure canner based on acidity, then process jars for the specified time and adjust for altitude. After cooling, check that lids are sealed and remove bands for storage, wiping jars clean and dating them. Store sealed jars in a cool, dark spot and rotate oldest jars to the front.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.